Inner Gandhi. Doing the immigration there. We'll get the bags and let's get out from here. Happy Monday, everyone. Today is Diwali night, very celebration. I'm at MT Majnukatilla. Majnukatilla Gomba, demolition here, new construction going on. All right. The weather is perfect, you know, not very cold, not very hot. I think it's 30 degrees Celsius. All right, there's a breakfast place. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Puri, very popular joint. So happy Tuesday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. October 21st, I'm at the Gomba. The breakfast place, very popular in Majnukatilla, Tibetan camp. All right, so there's two Gomba. The one is Nyingma Gomba and this one is Gelu Gomba. I think it's construction. You know, they're working on it inside. It's all demolished. And they're everywhere, like very tall, you know, construction happening. You see there. You know, it's not really allowed, I believe, you know, some meters, like they have restriction. But it's really not good, you know. People taking advantage, so it might hurt everybody. That's what I think. I see this building, there was no tall building like that behind the monastery. Now I see a new construction there. Really, really not good, you know. I mean, like, you know, for business might be good, but overall for the, you know, safety and, you know, stability of the Majnukatilla might not be a good idea. Because everyone will suffer, right? Not one individual family. All right, so I'm drinking salt tea here. There's some monks there, chatting, waiting for breakfast. My salt tea is here, and I still feel very kind of humid, hot. There's no air inside. You know, it's completely choked up kind of stuff because of the, you know, building constructions. Yeah, humid and sweaty. I'm sweating early morning, like 8 o'clock. Empty the bridge, new bridge. Yeah, it's not kept clean, still dirty. Yep. Just less walking on the stairs. And here we go. Other side is empty. Oh yeah. Yeah, before I saw on the YouTube, there was no protection like this. You know, now they put it this one, which is better. Safety, right? Oh, you can see all this buses all over going towards Chandigarh. This one is going towards South ISBD. All right, the right side. Ciao. Tidily, doctor. Yeah, was not a chikwa. That was a Nimbarta. Dili chikwa. Dani has two sasses, right? Chile. Yeah, Punzo, Chokachko. Oh, Dr. Bhai, this is like after Diwali. How it looks like Punjab Basti around like 7:30 a.m. in the morning. I was just walking and, you know, everywhere is trash. Crazy. All right. You can see the trash everywhere. Woo, never seen that much trash in my life. On the street, like Punjabi Basti, where all the chua shops are there. It's too early.